Easy exercise to lose belly fat at home. If you want to look slim and trim for a long time, then some important exercises are very beneficial for you. With the help of these exercises to reduce belly fat fast at home, the fat stored in the body will be reduced and you will get a fit body. So let's know which exercises women can do to reduce their belly fat. Cardio is one of the most effective ways to burn calories and burn unwanted fat from your body. Cardio exercise is very helpful in reducing belly fat. Regular cardio exercise will help you reduce stress, increase lung capacity, sleep better and have overall health benefits. Try running to lose belly fat. It's an effective way to keep your heart rate up, burn calories and lose belly fat. If you don't like running, try jogging instead. To get rid of all these problems, women do dieting, go to the gym, even get surgery. Research suggests that jogging is more effective at breaking down unwanted fat than weightlifting. It is a form of aerobic exercise that is extremely useful for fighting obesity, reducing belly fat and staying fit. Swimming gives you cardio benefits that range from losing weight to toning your body. The strokes you choose while swimming will help you burn more calories. You can go swimming once or twice every week to reduce belly fat. There is another effective cardio exercise to reduce belly fat which helps you to reduce belly fat by burning calories. Walking is one of the cardio exercises to reduce belly fat. You must know that walking is a great and effective way to burn belly fat. In fact, it is a good fat burner for your entire body. If you follow a healthy diet along with walking at a steady pace for 30 to 45 minutes for at least 4 to 5 days every week, you will see a gradual reduction in your weight. This low-impact exercise elevates your metabolism as well as your heart rate. A high metabolic rate helps to burn calories at a faster rate, thus helping to eliminate excess fat stored around your belly. In fact, walking lowers the risk of falls and is considered a good workout for beginners. There is no better exercise than crunches to reduce belly fat. It is considered to be the best fat-burning exercise. To do the crunches exercise, first of all, lay down on the floor with your knees and feet on the mat. Now lift your feet from the floor at a 90-degree angle. Now take a deep breath. Now exhale as you lift your upper torso off the ground. When you go up, breathe in through your mouth, and when you go down, exhale through your nose. You can do this 10 times initially. Repeating the crunches exercise 2 to 3 times daily will reduce belly fat to a great extent. According to experts, while doing crunches exercises at home, keep in mind that while not being in a completely sit-up position, raise your back a few inches above the ground.